Pete, my man, yes. Let's see if he'll jump for us.
Oh, he's out there.
Oh, he's out there a pretty good ways.
He's pissed. He's pissed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Some skillful work by our angler. Oh, there I see fish. That is a big sail. Big sailfish. If I didn't mention before, that is a big sail.
Well, right for your engines. You better come back.
Who is gonna win?
There he goes. He's tired, huh?
Pete, yes. Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Yeah, okay.
Oh, you want it? You want to put it in gear a little bit, Pete, so he swims with us?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Look at where that hook is.
Yeah.
Okay, try that.
That is a big
Oh, that hook's
fucking
going to come out. Watch
Yeah.
it. It's going to pop each release you, I think, huh?
Well,
Okay, you want me to grab it?
yeah, if you touch the leader, he's caught. That's a caught sail. Hold him a second.
Is it off?
It was for a minute. It re-wrapped.
Hold on. It's loose.
Yeah, it is.
Fucking circle on it.
Yeah.
It
Oh, shit.
did.
I'm not sure who's got who here.
Take this.
Okay.
This is a one-man show here, Eric.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the hook out.
No, I mean, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
We're the audience here.
Okay.
Can you get this one?
Well, your arm's in the way, but any chance you can lift him for just a second? Okay, yeah, okay. If he's shaking his head good, he's good.
Ready?
Yeah, oh, okay.
There it goes.
He never turned copper. That was good.
Yeah. Excellent, excellent.
Hey,
Pete
all
Sturge,
right.
good boy, good boy.